Welcome to Speak Better, a channel created to help you improve your English speaking skills naturally, confidently, and step by step. Our goal is to help you speak clearly in everyday situations without feeling afraid of mistakes. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you try to speak? Do the words stay in your mind but fail to come out of your mouth? Don't worry, you are not bad at English. You simply need to train your mouth through regular speaking practice. Think about learning to swim. You cannot learn swimming only by watching videos. You must enter the water and move your body. Speaking English is similar. You cannot improve by studying silently all the time. You must use your voice and practice speaking aloud. Many learners remain silent because they are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that other people will laugh at them or judge them. However, silence does not make your English stronger. It only makes your fear stronger. So take the first step today. Open your mouth and speak, even if your English is not perfect. You can begin with simple sentences such as, I am here, I feel good, or I am learning English. Every small sentence helps your mouth and brain work together. At Speak Better, you will learn useful sentences, everyday expressions, pronunciation tips, and simple speaking exercises. Each lesson will help you practice English in a clear and comfortable way. Speaking aloud is one of the easiest ways to improve. When you hear your own voice, your brain remembers the words more effectively. You can practice alone, speak in front of a mirror, or describe what you are doing during the day. For example, you can say, I am drinking tea, I am using my phone, I am studying English, or I feel tired today. These sentences are simple, but they are connected to your real life, so they are easier to remember and use. Repetition is another powerful technique. Choose a sentence and repeat it several times. Each time, try to make your pronunciation clearer and your speaking smoother. At first, repetition may feel boring, but it gradually makes speaking easier. You can also improve by copying good English speakers. Listen to one sentence, pause the audio, and repeat it. Try to copy the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. This practice helps you sound more natural. Do not try to speak quickly in the beginning. Speak slowly and clearly. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to choose the right words. As your confidence grows, your speaking speed will improve naturally. You do not need difficult vocabulary to speak well. Simple words such as go, come, eat, drink, feel, and like can help you make many useful sentences. Clear and simple English is better than complicated English that you cannot speak confidently. Try to build a small daily routine. Speak for 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night. You can talk about your plans, your activities, your family, or your feelings. A few minutes of practice every day can create significant improvement over time. Recording your voice is also helpful. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes and listen to the recording. You may notice mistakes, but you will also notice your progress. This practice helps you understand your pronunciation and speaking style. Remember that mistakes are not signs of failure. They are signs that you are practicing. If you wait until your English is perfect, you may never start speaking. Confidence comes after practice, not before it. The 5 most important steps are simple. Speak every day, use simple sentences, repeat often, speak aloud, and think in English. These habits help your brain and mouth connect more quickly. Your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be clear enough for people to understand you. Every sentence you speak is a step forward, and every day of practice makes your voice stronger. Now let us begin a complete 10-minute speaking practice with Speak Better. You do not need a speaking partner, an expensive course, or a difficult grammar book. You only need a quiet place, your voice, and 10 minutes of regular practice. This routine will help you train your mouth, improve your pronunciation, increase your speaking speed, and build confidence step by step. For the first minute, take a deep breath and warm up your mouth. Sit or stand comfortably and relax your face. Say simple words slowly such as good morning, beautiful, comfortable, important, interesting, and English speaking. Open your mouth clearly and move your lips properly while speaking. Do not rush. The purpose of this warm-up is to prepare your mouth and voice for English practice. For the second minute, look around you and describe what you see. Say, this is my room. There is a chair near the table. My phone is on the desk. I can see a window. Or the light is on. Try to describe the color, size, position, and use of different objects. For example, you can say, this is a small black table. I use it when I study English. This exercise helps your brain think in English without translating every sentence. For the third minute, talk about your daily routine. Say, I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I have breakfast. I go to work. Or I study English. Try to connect your sentences together. You can say, I wake up early, brush my teeth, have breakfast, and start my day. Connecting sentences helps you speak more smoothly and naturally. For the fourth minute, listen to a short English sentence and repeat it aloud. Copy the speaker's voice, pronunciation, rhythm, and speed. Listen carefully to how the speaker joins words together. Then repeat the sentence without worrying about your accent. This technique is called shadowing, and it helps learners practice natural English speaking. For example, listen to the sentence, I am trying to improve my English every day. Pause the audio and repeat it several times. First, speak slowly. Then try to speak at a natural speed. Repeat the sentence until it feels comfortable in your mouth. For the fifth minute, repeat the same sentences without listening to the audio. Try to remember the words and speak them by yourself. If you forget a word, do not stop completely. Take a short breath and continue with simpler words. For example, if you forget the word delicious, you can say, the food is very good. The important thing is to continue speaking. For the sixth minute, ask and answer easy questions about yourself. Ask, what is my name? Where do I live? What do I do every day? What do I like? And what am I learning? Then answer each question in complete sentences. You can say, my name is Rahul. I live in Dehradun. I practice English every day. And, I like listening to English videos. For the seventh minute, speak about your feelings and opinions. You can say, I feel happy today. I am a little tired. I feel excited about learning English. Or, I am becoming more confident. You can also express your opinion by saying, I think English is useful. I believe daily practice is important. Or, in my opinion, speaking is more important than memorizing difficult words. For the eighth minute, speak about one topic continuously. Choose a simple topic such as your favorite food, your hometown, your family, your studies, your work, your favorite movie, or your future plans. Try to speak for the entire minute without stopping. Do not try to use difficult vocabulary. Simple and clear sentences are enough. For example, if you choose the topic my hometown, you can say, I live in Dehradun. It is a beautiful city in Uttarakhand. The weather is pleasant, and there are many green places around the city. I like living there because it is peaceful. I also enjoy spending time with my family and visiting different places. For the ninth minute, record your voice for 1 minute. Speak about your day or repeat the sentences you practiced. After recording, listen carefully. Notice one pronunciation mistake, one grammar mistake, and one sentence that you spoke well. Do not become disappointed when you hear mistakes. The purpose of recording is to understand your progress and improve gradually. You can write down one sentence that was difficult for you, then practice that sentence 3 or 4 times. For example, if you said, I have been learning English for many months, but found it difficult, repeat it slowly. After a few repetitions, try to say it naturally. For the 10th and final minute, repeat your best sentences with confidence. Stand straight, take a deep breath, and speak clearly. Say, I am learning English every day. I can speak clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes. My pronunciation is improving. And, I will become a confident English speaker. Finish your practice with a positive voice and believe in your progress. After completing the 10-minute practice, do not immediately judge yourself. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What did I speak well? Which word or sentence was difficult? What will I practice tomorrow? These questions help you understand your learning and make your next practice session more useful. You can complete this routine in the morning during a break or at night. You can practice while sitting in your room, walking outside, traveling, or doing simple household work. Choose a fixed time and follow the routine every day. When you practice at the same time regularly, speaking English slowly becomes a natural habit. If you miss one day, do not give up. Start again the next day. One missed day does not destroy your progress, but giving up can stop your improvement. Remember that fluency is not created in one long session. It is created through small efforts repeated every day. You can also change the topic every day to make your practice interesting. On Monday, talk about your daily routine. On Tuesday, talk about your family. On Wednesday, describe your room. On Thursday, speak about your favorite food. On Friday, talk about your work or studies. On Saturday, describe a memorable day. On Sunday, talk about your goals for the future. Try to use the English you need in real life. Practice sentences such as, "Could you please repeat that? I did not understand the question. Let me think for a moment. I agree with you. I have a different opinion. And could you explain it again?" These expressions can help you feel more comfortable during real conversations. Start with small English thoughts. When you see tea, think, "This is tea." When you feel tired, think, "I am tired." When you want to go outside, think, "I want to go outside." These small thoughts train your brain to respond directly in English. Do not worry if your pronunciation is not perfect. First, focus on speaking clearly and making your message understandable. With regular listening and repetition, your pronunciation will gradually improve. Confidence grows when you continue speaking even when you are not perfect. Remember, your mouth becomes stronger every time you speak. Your brain becomes faster every time you form a sentence. Your confidence becomes greater every time you face your fear. Even a small practice session can take you one step closer to fluent English. So, give yourself 10 minutes today. Listen, repeat, describe, answer, speak, record, and review. Do not wait for the perfect time or perfect confidence. Start with the English you already know and slowly add new sentences. This is Speak Better. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep practicing, and never be afraid of mistakes. Your English journey may take time, but every word you speak is helping you move forward. Speak better every day, speak with confidence, and make English a natural part of your life.